Deputy Mufti Sheikh Muhammad Ali Waiswa aba Uganda Muslim Supreme Council we abaroho komujinyi mukuru akwakira ebizamu bya Islamic PLE examination.
Ate mbagamba nti musirikira nsonga yonna. Ensonga yonna gye mulina kubikwatagana n'enjigiriza yaffe mubitubuulire. Muwandiike oba mujje mu buntu.
Abeegi Kashanju bina 95 nibo bashitamira ebizamu ebi ari aba 10,119 bizire mu first grade 10,694 bizire mu second grade 55 tabararebikireho okushitamira ebizamu ebi.
Index number 4 338. Index number 2 center number 36. Those results are under investigations.
Ahabwaburengerizo ba ishomero lya Emirates Nursery and Primary School ekushangwa Mbarara niryo lyasinga kandi okutwayikayo twashanga bamumbeegi abaziire n'abashomesa barukujaguza.
My name is Akuna Hamza. I learn from Emirates Nursery and Primary School, and I thank Allah for the gift that He has given me for 4 aggregates, and I thank all my parents that have paid for me school fees, and I thank our sheikhs for teaching us. My best dance subject was fiqh, following tarbiyah, next was Quran, and the last was Luga.
4 aggregates, 4 aggregates.
Today because I received my results when I have Mumtaz with 4 aggregates. Fiqh I have 1 distinction 1. Quran I have distinction 1. Tarbiyah I have distinction 1. And Lugha I have distinction 1. I'm very happy today because I didn't expect that I will have 4 aggregates. And also I thank my sheikhs, my director for mentoring me, encouraging me.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Mwasiba mutabogwe. Ishemerire munonga abo kuba results zanje zija kandi zija nyine butano. Ishemerire munonga na nyenda kwebaza abasheyi banje abwa support na director obutatulekaho Quran nyine kamwe na Lugha nyine bubiri, fiqh nyine kamwe na tarbiyah nyine kamwe.
Nashemerera munonga uko nafuna aggregate mukaga kandi shobe nyebaza abazire banje bakampa school fees na tata wanje yampa school fees kale bona bamberera.
I first thank the Almighty that we have been the first school in Western region and Mbarara. Amanya gange mu Uganda nze Hamimo Murungi nakoze obubonero mukaga nyebaza nyesomero okumpa chance yo kikola nyebaza ne teacher banga basomeseza.
Emirates as a school being the first okubeera nga fa bashinze mu Mbarara district twafunye percentage ya 83.79 era abaana baffe bakoledde ddala bulungi ng'essomo lye basinze okukola lyabadde lya tarbiya nga badde balina 94.103 then essomo eryazzeeko lye tuyita erya fiqhi era nga nze kennyini nze musomesa waalyo alhamdulillah essomo lye bazzeemu okukola obulungi era nga nalyo balikoledde ddala bulungi nnyo ddala gwe mwaka gwaffe okusookedde ddala okutuula era Allah tumwebaza olwa results ennungi ngezo alhamdulillah.
Abo mwaka 2024 Islamic PLE examination ebizamu ebikutebekanizibwa abebembezi omulinnya ekisiraamu bikakorerwa omu center bishatu nshanju n'emwe.
Omushomesa ayine kuba nayitegura kandi akareba ngo omwana yahika y'ishomero ashanga omushomesa already amwakire amukoresa obwire bweye kugira ngo yije y'ishomero kushoma abase kumuhereza bwona atagizire kuyaburabura.
Abwa TV West ndi Senyomo Gideon.